Hey everyone, welcome back. मैं हूँ जोजो with
और मैं हूँ श्रुत्स.
Miss Bhola. Joke Hey is at it.
And how?
I know. These guys don't stop working, they don't stop dropping. And this one, he's dropped with Jani, Zas, who we've never heard, and Share. So Share we've heard on Khana Badosh. And it
This
needs
one's
to be
called
checked
Khata.
out. It's called Khata.
Yes.
Let's
Yeah.
just get into it.
Sure.
We had finished reacting to Bars and 9mm, and that day this dropped, and then I started getting the DMs, and I was like, why don't they just hit pause for a second? I just finished two back to
But
back.
don't you think now the day that we release something and something like this doesn't happen, don't you think थोड़ा ऐसे दुख होगा?
वो तो होता है,
Like,
कभी अभी
अब
हुआ है,
आदत हो
एक दो
गई.
बार हुआ है.
बहुत हाँ, लेकिन अभी आदत हो गई है. So I also don't want them to stop. You know what I mean? Like
It's just very funny. I was like, oh my god, I have no. And then the people who are DMing me are only saying we feel very sorry, we feel very bad for you. I was like, thanks.
Chalo,
let's get to it. Okay, Khata. 1, 2, 3, play. Lyrics are pinned.
गलत फैसले मिले बुरे लोग मेरे फैसले जले कुड़े लोग गिरती वकीरेत कैसे खोले लोग मेल जोल रोज फिर भी भूले लोग दस्तक रुकेगी कब तक गम के पहाड़ों में जागा हूँ शब तक अल्फाजी नहीं तो हिले नी लब तक कठपुतली सी चाल दिखाता बस करता अब मतलब ही ढूंढने के चलते मरहले में गाता हूँ गाने तो दिख के सर हिलते वो करते हैं प्यार शायद तभी मिलते कुछ पत्थर दिल वाले तो कैसे पिघलते ये राज कभी हुआ फाश नहीं इतने देखे चेहरे फर्क पड़े अब कुछ खास नहीं आंखों पर पट्टी बंदाती आवाज नहीं महसूस होता सब लेकिन होता है एहसास नहीं ये कागज इस कलम का तालिब है पूछा के कौन यहाँ पे गालिब है धुन में मगन सारे दुनिया से लाइल में दुनियादारी भूला बिल्कुल बुरा अपने बारे में फिर भी मैंने कायम रखा यहाँ पे अपना जोर शोर आवाज तेरी बंद तेरा शोर रोड और मेरा सिंगल ट्रैक करे तोड़ फोड़ हसत तुम्हें भरी है शोर मुझसे सीखा के ले तू
है मुश्किल यहाँ कोई समझे कहाँ वो मरदा ही ठीक हम खुद के गवाह क्या कुछ कर चुका क्या मेरी खता हम रहे हैं सीख तू फिर भी खफा
सोते ना तो मुझ पे हल्की होती अगर नींद होते ख्वाब पूरे पॉकेट्स होती अगर डीप न करता माफ होता तेरी तरह नीच जो न होता दिल साफ लेकिन चाहिए मुझे पीस ख्वाब तो 1000 पूरे करना मुश्किल मान लेता हार लेकिन मैं नहीं बुज़दिल सीखे हार के तो फिर टूटे क्यों दिल लाए जो भी डाउट्स वो तो किए मैंने खुद किल लगे दुनिया खिलाफ मेरे अपने नहीं साथ मेरे चंद लोग आवाज देते बस वही मेरे साथ खड़े किया काफी ग्राइंड नहीं दिया खुद को टाइम I just wanna get away बनाने मुझे मिल जिगर करना नहीं है चिल कितनी जिम्मेदारियां that I don't wanna face but I'm bound to होते हो तुम खुश जब मैं गाऊं यूं सोचूं I should write songs about you पर नहीं लिखा जाता पर someday I will बेशक लफ्ज लगे ज्यादा बढ़ता बोझ करते आधा बांट लेते सब टीम रहती साथ वक्त काट लेते सब हूँ मैं वाकिफ है तो मंजिल अभी दूर पर जो किए खुद से वादे वो तो पूरे करने सब
है मुश्किल यहाँ कोई समझे कहाँ वो मरदा ही ठीक हम खुद के गवाह क्या कुछ कर चुका क्या मेरी खता हम रहे हैं सीख तू फिर भी खफा
मेरा ये माना था हर शख्स को लाजिम में खादसा ऐसी भीड़ में हूँ लापता दुनिया से गाफिल बेसाकता मैंने लिखी जिंदगी लिखी जो बीती वसीला बनती मौसीकी मैंने लिखे वक्त हालात जुल्म वफात वो जज्बात मंजिल दूर थे न पास पर इसके बाद क्या वो उम्मीद का कारवां सपनों के सहरा में मेरा एक शहर आबाद था मैं गिनता हूँ तारे और लिखता हूँ गाने, पर सोचूं ये क्या इल्म बख्शा है खुदा ने। मैं झुक जाऊँ सजदों में पढ़ने शुक्राने, मैं सोता हूँ रख कर कफन को सिरहाने। सपने अर्श के मैं चलता हूँ खाक पर, जीना सीखा है ये ख्वाहिशत मार कर। वो सुनते मुझे हावी उनके दिलो दिमाग पर, मैं ठहरा अदीब मैं लिखूं दिलों में झांक कर। मैं झेलूं ही नहीं तो कहूँ मर्द कैसे, मैं लिखूं ही नहीं तो बयां करूं दर्द कैसे। कलम बेबाक मेरा कैसे फिर ये हद, मेरे खाना बदोश हम इधर हालातों की जद में थे।
है मुश्किल यहाँ कोई समझे कहाँ, वो मुर्दा ही ठीक हम खुद के गवाह। क्या कुछ कर चुका क्या मेरी खता, हम रहे हैं सीख तू फिर भी खफा।
God.
Are you about to cry? With the face
Yeah.
is totally looking like.
I am. I like my heart just
Man.
fills up when I hear such beautiful lines. Oh,
Stunning. But the one thing that really stood out for me today, like there were many actually, but like they have very distinct vocal quality. Like, you know, when Johnny's verse came and he had this really amazing, I can't, I can't pinpoint what that thing is, but ek wo awaaz mein jo
the way he
dal
writes the
hai,
melody
the
also.
way, like,
Yeah.
right? And Share had a completely different way of singing, but Umar's voice, like Umar, I think Umar's voice, just all of them, they have this really different, like Joke ko to suna hua hai. So, Joke, listening to Joke feels like, yes, the home hook, like, where you're with together. And then it's just beautiful. Their voice quality, the words they were using, the expression they were putting across, and what they were speaking. It went seedha aise, like, and yet not in a very, very hard-hitting way. It was very like aram se, like let's chill, let's have a chat. This is what I feel. This is what I'm going through, and like that's how it is. And the way so casually when they are telling you, you're melting. You're
Listen,
like,
it's if you're saying let's chill and have a chat. If someone has a chat with me using lines like this, I will start crying there only. I will just be bawling. I will just be like, "Come, let me give you a hug. You also give me a hug. I also need a hug." Like that is what will happen because freaking hell, man.
That's true. No, बातें वैसी ही होनी चाहिए. Like, when
Yeah.
बातें real हों, वह अंदर से genuinely बात होती है.
And
When you're actually talking to someone, right? And you're touching their heart. Otherwise, ऊपर से, hey, how are you? What's up? अच्छा, everything good? अच्छा, how's life? ऊपर वाली बातें तो, like, how are they supposed to touch you? They will never.
That's the thing, na. Real connections are only formed on vulnerability.
Yeah,
And when you can
yes.
be vulnerable and the other person is vulnerable back, you open up a little and the other person opens up in return. It's that's how you
Yeah.
form a real bond. And when you make songs like this where you're completely vulnerable and you're just expressing your feelings so beautifully, you were right. I was about to tear up when I read it because
I know, I could see it on your face.
I can't
I was
control
like-
myself. I try very hard, but I mean,
Listen, where was that? Because I was like, how the lyrics were written, and then
Zaz is
it's-
Umar. Umar is
no
Zaz.
wonder. I was like, Omar kaun hai? But
Mm.
his voice, damn good. Sorry, you were saying something. I thought I'll just get that.
No, I was just saying, let's talk about the song. The beat, we know Joke is amazing, and the every time they had a bit of a stress point, the way the beat switched, and then it just kind of did its thing. It's like it hits at the right time. That
Yeah.
that punch comes at the right time, and then. And like you said, when you listen to Joke's voice, I heard Joke's voice and I was so happy. I was like, oh my God, it feels like we're coming home. Because like I have missed hearing his voice. And even the lines of the hook were just so freaking brilliant. Hum rahe hain si to phir bhi tu phir bhi khafa. Like, it's like just so much pain there and so much love there and just
Yeah.
what are you saying?
I think there's another thing about Joke, and I've noticed that through and through in his music. It's very beautiful how he allows the lyrics and the person who was rapping at that moment or singing at that point, their voice to get showcased based on the music. Like his music never overtakes the voice. It always gives like this supporting push so that the
Space.
lyrics,
Mm.
right? Like
And
so that the
space.
lyrics
Yeah.
and the voice shines out a lot more. It's never so many times, but like you were pointing out, that there were these some moments when that little nudge would come, and that would, like, you know, lift the song that much higher. That time, what was being spoken as like an impactful little
Mm.
moment that would get created. I love that. I love that about Jokhe's music. I don't know if he does this intentionally or it's just who he is. But it actually showcases so much of teamwork, right? That you're not trying to, there is no andar ka competition going on where you are trying to take the attention away from the singer and from the lyrics that are being spoken at that point. It's like the whole song is one song, even if different people are singing it. And the person who brings them together to make sure that all of it sounds like one song is Jokhe. So
Yeah.
I don't know, just like, you know, different thoughts that are going through my head right now. And I'm just kind of not putting a filter on it and just speaking.
No,
But
no, it makes sense. He
yeah.
cohesively ties everything together, whether it's with his music or whether it's with his hooks and just how one hook connects from one verse to the next, because each verse is each artist's like own perspective and own thoughts, and then the way the hook then joins them, like bridges, like creates that bridge between one mood to the next mood, and does it so beautifully without overtaking or overshadowing anything, and just staying with the vibe is just
Correct.
beautiful. It's beautiful. He does it all the time. You're right, and especially in this song, because each of the three verses were beautiful for me. I love Shari's verse, and then I would say Jani, and then Umar's. But each verse had so much beauty in it, and the like you said, the unique sort of voice throw and flows and texture and just the emotion in each voice was different in a good way. It just, the song overall was just so, I mean, we have said this millions of times. Like, I'm not even tired of saying it after saying it a million times, because it deserves to be said. There is just so much there's just so much beauty in the poetry that songs like this are healing, you know, for listeners. So the more
100%.
songs like this you can make, the better. There's just, it'll never be too much. So yeah, we're going to go through the lyrics offline properly, and it's just, there's a lot of Urdu words as well, especially I think in Jani's verse. So if you guys could leave a list in the comments, that would be awesome. But yeah, just what else to say now?
Song is making me feel very, like, can I say, very affected.
Yeah, affected and at peace also, but not at peace also, happy also, but restless also, and just like
Thoughtful. Like,
thoughtful.
you know, एक थोड़े thoughtful zone में चले गए हम. So I think उसी के साथ please like, subscribe, and यहाँ पे जो दिख रहा है ना, सब एक टिक कर दो यहाँ पे. And
Yes.
yeah, we'll see you the next time.
And check out Miss Vola's website also. It's linked below. Chalo, take care of yourselves. Enjoy the song. Live long and prosper.